Nucleus. Nucleus surrounded by nuclear envelope, perforated by nuclear pores, and nuclear envelope continuous with endoplasmic reticulum. Nucleus is the largest organelle in eukaryotic cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum have many ribosomes that attach to it. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks of ribosome. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum have less ribosome that attach to it. Ribosome. Ribosomes are seen as solid spherical granules when observed through the electron microscope. Each ribosome has a diameter of about 20 to 25 nanometer. Each ribosome is an assembly of two ribosomal subunits, which are the large subunit and the small subunit. Ribosomal subunits are synthesized in the nucleolus. Each ribosome consists of about 70 protein molecules and several ribosomal RNA molecules. Golgi body. The Golgi body is found in all eukaryotic cells. It consists of cisternae, which is known as flattened membranous sacs, and also lumen, which is flattened sacs. Cis phase is receiving site of Golgi body. Trans phase is shipping site of Golgi body. Lysosome. Lysosome appear as dark spherical vesicle in the cytoplasm. Lysosome is a membrane-bound sac that consists of hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic enzyme used to digest biomolecules. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a tiny rod-like structure in the cytoplasm of almost all cells. Each mitochondrion is bound by a double unit membrane, the outer membrane being a smooth continuous boundary. The inner membrane is extensively infolded to form partition called cristae. The intermembrane space between the outer and inner membrane is narrow and filled with fluid. Chloroplasts contain green pigment known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is found inside the plant cells. Chloroplasts are rubber membrane-bound organelle. It has thylakoids, which has photosynthetic pigments located on the membrane. Within the chloroplast is a gel-like called stroma. Vacuole. A vacuole is a fluid-filled sac bounded by a single membrane. It has tonoplast, which is the single membrane that surrounds the vacuole. The fluid within the vacuole is called cell sac. Centrosome and centrioles. In animal cells, microtubules grow out from the centrosome. Within the centrosome of an animal cell are a pair of centrioles. Each hollow cylinder is composed of a set of triple microtubules arranged in a ring.
Within the nucleus, the DNA is organized into discrete units called chromosomes, structures that carry the genetic information. Each chromosome contains one long DNA molecules associated with many proteins. Some of the proteins help coil the DNA molecule of each chromosome, reducing its length and allowing it to fit into the nucleus.
Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum consists of rough ER and smooth ER.
Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough ER transport proteins that has been synthesized by the ribosome and stores them temporarily. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth ER help to transport and synthesize lipid. Harmful substances such as drugs and toxins are detoxified. Body. Protein and lipids manufactured in the rough and smooth ER are transported into the Golgi body and modified. The Golgi body will add carbohydrate to lipids from smooth ER and form glycolipids. It enables cell materials such as digestive enzyme to be secreted from the cell in vesicles. Involves in the formation of lysosomes. Golgi body. Lysosomes. A food vacuole fuses with the membrane of lysosome. Enzyme from the lysosome break down the food particle. After absorption, the digestive vacuoles becomes a waste body, contains residues that cannot be further digested. The waste body moves to and fuses with the plasma membrane, releasing the debris to the outside of the cell through exocytosis, a process that is reverse of endocytosis. Mitochondria. As we see in the video, there are two men running at the field. The movement actually need more absorption of energy. The energy in ATP form comes from mitochondria. We can conclude that mitochondria are sites of energy production. Chloroplast. A green plant will absorb sunlight to make food. Then the chloroplast will receive the sunlight consistently. The plant will produce all green leaves, which indicates that the plant is healthy. Next, some chloroplasts will receive the sunlight selectively. The plant will produce some green leaves and red leaves, which indicates that the plant is not healthy. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the protein factories of all cells. Ribosome synthesizes protein molecules from amino acids using genetic information carried by the mRNA molecules from the DNA in the nucleus. The proteins synthesized on the free ribosomes are released into the cytosol. Vacuoles. Vacuoles acts as storage place for waste products such as water, nutrients, pigments, and waste materials. Enzyme will be hydrolyzed seeds protein into monomers that a place embryo can be used as food. Centrosome and centrioles. Division of animal cell is preceded as well as stimulated by centrosome division. Each centriole will divide into two, and each of the two pairs of centrioles will move to the respective poles of the cell.